Our patient in today's video is concerned because he has some toenails that have grown into the shape of an upside down U. And what I want you to know is that it is common for many people to have the toenails change shape throughout our lifetime. It tends to be genetic, so if your mom or dad had nails like that, the chances are by the time you hit their age, you'll have them too. It's not a given, but it's very possible. So it isn't anything you did or didn't do throughout your teenage years to cause it. The other thing is that we're having a COVID discussion again, and this video was filmed in November of 22, so we were all still kind of not sure where to go and what to do in terms of masking, and that's why this will sound weird because of where we are now, but that's where the conversation was at the time. So please enjoy the video.